Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, May 25th. Look at some incoming near-record warmth with mostly clear skies for the today and tomorrow. We do have some active weather returning for Thursday and through Memorial Day weekend, and we'll be taking a quick look at that this morning. Some key points we're going to focus on today. We do that warm and dry conditions continuing both today and tomorrow, with highs in the 70s to near 90 degrees out towards the Magic Valley. So that's going to be near record heat, especially for our southern locations on Thursday. But with that, we are going to see some afternoon thunderstorms developing, mainly Thursday afternoon, generally around 3 p.m. and beyond. Main target area is going to be the Central Mountains, Magic Valley, and kind of northwestern Snake Plain at this point. But we will see precipitation at higher elevations for Friday with a continued threat for some thunderstorms before we have some more widespread precipitation moving in for the weekend. And here's kind of the Memorial Day weekend outlooks. We're looking at the main trend is just going to be colder, primarily wet, and some breezy winds each and every day. So that's going to be kind of the main story Thursday and beyond for our area. Here's a quick look at the satellite this morning. So we do have that area of high pressure that's going to be moving in, and we have some mid to upper level clouds starting to filter in up and over the ridge. But today should be mostly clear as these skies generally clear out to our east. So these clouds will be kind of working through early part of this morning, but by this afternoon we should be seeing mostly clear skies. And here's a look at your weather risk outlook for the next 5 days. So main thing is going to be in parent on every single one, it's just going to be those breezy winds each and every day. So we do have that near record warmth on Thursday with the chance for some isolated thunderstorms, but we will continue that threat for some precipitation and wind each day, both Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, looking a little bit more widespread for the weekend with some more higher elevation snow as we do get those colder temperatures starting to work back in. Here's a look at your temperatures for today. So high and low temperatures starting off in the 30s and 40s mainly this morning, but as we get towards this afternoon, should be an overall pleasant day in the 60s to mid to upper 70s as you head further southwest. And wind gusts this afternoon, not looking like too breezy winds, generally about 20 to 30 miles an hour across the Snake Plain and higher elevation zones, but just slightly breezy this afternoon. And for Thursday, this will be the warmest day of the week and of the year. So we're seeing many locations on Thursday. We'll be seeing 80 degrees for the first time. We haven't had that here in Pocatello since October 5th of last year, so a little over 230 days ago. So we'll be seeing some record warmth kind of working in for Thursday, just a few degrees shy of some records, but pushing 90 degrees out towards Twin Falls and Shoshone. But during the morning hours, starting off in the 40s to low 50s. And wind gusts for Thursday afternoon, generally about pretty much the same what we're going to see today, mainly up to around 30, 35 miles an hour across the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and higher elevation zones, so staying just below any wind product criteria. And for Friday, so most noticeable will be the morning lows on Friday, so that'll be in the 40s to upper 50s, so probably near 60 degrees as you head further south for Friday morning. But things do warm up, so we will be seeing another warm day for Friday. Not as warm for us as it was on Thursday, but we will see those temperatures back in the 60s to upper 70s for Friday. And wind gusts for Friday. So Friday looks like it's going to be a slightly more gusty day. So we're seeing that potential for about wind gusts up to around 40 miles an hour, a little bit higher as you head onto the Central Mountains. But something to keep an eye on for Friday, that wind potential and more precipitation moving in for the weekend. So we'll be seeing that continued active weather pattern kind of Thursday and beyond at this point. And for Saturday, so this will be the noticeable day. So temperatures drop by about 10 to 20 degrees for many locations. Low temperatures for Saturday morning, generally going to be in the 30s out towards Stanley, but mainly in the 50s for much of the Snake Plain. But during the afternoon, temperatures are struggling to rebound. It'll be mostly cloudy skies this weekend, so temperatures will struggle to climb into the mid-60s for Saturday. A little bit colder as you head further north in the 50s. And for Saturday, continuing that wind threat again up to 40 miles an hour here in the Snake Plain, Magic Valley. A little bit quieter outside of those zones, but staying pretty breezy throughout the weekend period. And for Sunday, so we will see those morning temperatures drop below freezing up in northern locations. But down further south, we will be in the 40s, maybe some 50s head towards western Idaho. But during the afternoon, we will see those temperatures rebound back into the 40s to upper 50s. So pretty cold in comparison to what we saw on Thursday. So about 10, 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. And again for Sunday, broken record at this point, but we will be seeing those breezy afternoon winds again for Sunday. So Memorial Day weekend's looking like it's going to be wet, windy, and as far as continuing that threat for some precipitation. And in summary for this morning, do that warm and dry conditions continuing through tomorrow with some highs in the 70s to near 90 degrees as you head out towards the Magic Valley. So that will be some near record heat for late May here in southeast Idaho. Active weather pattern does return for Thursday afternoon, mainly looking at some isolated thunderstorms in our north and west locations. Looking at precipitation kind of filling in for the later part of Friday. Again, that chance for some isolated thunderstorms then, but looking at more stratiform precipitation as we head through the weekend, so Saturday through Monday. And that's going to have some direct impacts on the Memorial Day weekend outlook. So main impacts So there's going to be some colder than normal temperatures, fairly wet each and every day, and some breezy conditions. So with those colder temperatures, we'll be seeing a return to more high elevation snow, low valley rain, but each and every day, starting off the day in the 30s, 40s, and 50s, but then afternoon highs do struggle to climb into like the 50s and 60s, just with that increased cloud cover and breezy afternoon winds. So something to keep in mind for your weekend. But that'll be your weather briefing for today, Wednesday, May 25th. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Wednesday.